Hello, my name is Trường from Hurricane 29. This is the VOA Special English Education Report. What is the best way to learn a new language? A small study of foreign language learning is adult combined two methods. One is known as the explicit or classroom methods. This is the kind of traditional classroom teaching where students are taught a lot of information about grammar rules. The other method is known as the implicit or immersion method. The idea here is to learn much the way children do when they learn a native language. That is, by being with native speakers and absorbing the language that surrounds them, generally without a lot of explanation. Teacher may combine these two methods into what Professor Michael Ullman calls immersion-style classroom teaching. But is that necessarily a better way to learn a language? Mr. Ullman was the senior investigator for the new study. He is the professor of neuroscience at Georgetown University Medical Center in Washington. He says he was surprised to find that combining the two methods might not have the brain in processing a new language. If he had to learn a new language, what would he do? One possibility would be to start with classroom and then go to immersion. But he says there is a possibility that classroom could hurt later immersion. That is the one possibility in interesting the data. The published Diary of Science published the study earlier this year. The 21 adults in the experiment learned Rocanto 2, a 13-word language created for the study. The words and grammar rules relate to the computer game similar to chess that the learners played. For example, room Plus means the square room piece switches with the knee piece. The researchers tasted the people 3 to 6 months after they had learned the language to see how well they could remember it. The study found that those who has learned it with the immersion method has brain waves similar to those of native speakers of the language when speaking that language. Professor Ullman says those who trained with the classroom methods also became more native-like in this brain processing, but only the immersion group showed full native-like processing of the grammar. Still, he said teachers should not make any curriculum changes based on his findings. He said further research is needed, and it may be, for example, that a combination of classroom and immersion might be best.